I have to clean the house.
Yes, it's very dirty.
You can help me.
Why me?
Because you helped make it dirty.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to clean the bathroom.
Oh, that's easy.
Clean the sink, the tub, the counter, and the toilet.
That's a lot of work.
Tell me when you finish.
I don't think so. You'll just give me more work. You're watching too much TV.
What do you mean?
I mean you're wasting your life.
I'm having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care. Do something.
Okay. I did something.
What did you do?
I turned up the volume.
That's not what I meant by do something.
Will you do something? Leave me alone. Did you write a letter to Grandma?
Yes, I did.
Did you tell her about school?
I told her that school is fun.
Did you put the letter in an envelope?
Yes, and I sealed the envelope.
Did you put a stamp on the envelope?
I couldn't find any stamps.
They're in the kitchen drawer.
Okay. I just put a stamp on the envelope.
Give me the envelope, and I'll mail it for you.
When is Grandma going to learn about email? Why are you yawning?
I'm sleepy.
Why don't you go to bed?
I want to watch this TV show.
Maybe you should record it.
The tape recorder is broken.
Then you should watch the rerun.
Why? I'm watching the original.
But you'll be asleep in about 1 minute.
I'm just yawning because the commercials are on.
Okay. I'll tell you how the show ends. ZZZ.